Alright guys, so the results are in after shooting the rest of the load into the into the iPhone 4S, and I shot 21 in the front and 21 in the back. Now here's your front. It done came off the phone. There's the front of the phone that's fucked up. And then you got this one right here, just the back. Just really messed up. Which goes on there. And the battery. Long battery if you guys didn't know. Then you got this, which I think went on the front, I believe. And yeah, and that's a iPhone 4S that's just torn to pieces by a BB gun. So you guys have it by that BB gun right there. Metal BB gun.